Welcome to Sunny Acres, a place full of life, laughter, and lots of friendly animals. Let's meet some of our friends who call this lovely farm their home.
Good morning, Chuck. How are you and your little ones?
We're just fine, Farmer Joe. The little ones are growing up so fast.
And how are you today, Daisy?
Farmer Joe! The grass has never tasted better!
Looks like you're enjoying yourself, Pete.
Nothing beats a good mud bath on a sunny day.
Here at Sunny Acres, everyone has a special role. Daisy gives us milk, Chuck gives us eggs, and Pete, well, Pete keeps us smiling.
Life on the farm is full of surprises and fun. It's a place where every day is an adventure.
Now, friends, shall we show our new friends what a day on the farm looks like?
And that's just a peek into Sunny Acres. There's so much more to see and learn. Join us next time for another day of fun and discovery. Don't forget to draw your favorite animal from today's episode and share it with someone you love.